Guys, Ashish this side. So this is part 2 of Study in Ireland series, and in this part I'm going to tell you about the admission process, the intake timeline, eligibility criteria and documents required to get admission in Ireland. So first thing that comes is, what is the admission process? So for undergraduate courses, Irish universities accept application through Central Applications Office (CAO) and online enrollment system. You will have to make an account on the CAO website to provide your basic information, submit the scanned version of your documents. So what all documents we'll talk about later in the video. Then score of TOEFL and IELTS, and pay the application fee. You will be informed about the application process and stages through this account. Now, next thing that comes is application fee. So all colleges are required to pay the application fee, but still check thoroughly, as some college also waive the application fee while other charge the application fee. Overall purpose of taking this application fee is to make sure that only serious students are applying. Now, next is, what are the steps to apply? So number one, you search for college and courses, then you contact schools and visit websites for information, then you narrow down your list of schools, then take the language exams like TOEFL or IELTS, then write statement of purpose and ask for letters of recommendation, register at CAO, apply to colleges which fit your interest, then you appear for video interview of the college which shortlist you, and then if you are accepted, apply for student visa. This is the step-by-step process. So in case you are serious about studying abroad, then you may write it down also and follow it accordingly. Next comes is, what are the intake timeline? So Irish universities have one major enrollment season, which is the autumn intake, which is in September. So just like other top countries, September is the major intake. Some universities admit students for January session also. So similar to all other countries, you have major intake September and minor intake January. Next you have is, what are the documents required? What are the documents that you need to prepare? So you need all your mark sheets. If you are applying for UG, then mark sheet, transcript till 12th. If you are applying for PG, then till bachelor's. Then internet based TOEFL or IELTS score. Then if you have any work experience, then you need the 2 letters of recommendation from the employer, manager who knows you well and can comment on your professional abilities apart from the work experience letter. Then you need statement of purpose. You need to prepare your resume. If you are applying for art and design courses, then you need a portfolio also. Apart from that, if you have any curricular or extracurricular activity, then you need those certificates of that also. Then proof of funds is required. So what is the amount, that we'll be talking about maybe the next part of this video. And then health insurance and a copy of your passport. Next comes is, what is the eligibility criteria? What should be the eligibility for getting the admission? So for bachelor's, you need about 70 to 90% marks in class 12th for good universities, 70% in class 12th for Institute of Technology, and 55 to 60% in class 12 for colleges. Now understand this, that eligibility criteria may change time to time. They may give some relaxation or they may increase it. So the best way is, whenever you are applying, check the particular university or the particular official website. Similarly, in masters, you need 55 to 75% in graduation, and then in both of the cases you need IELTS. So IELTS you need about 6.5 with no less than 6 bands in each. But there are also some colleges which may give you relaxation of maybe 5.5 bands or something like that. So again, best way is, which top colleges, which are my finalized colleges, and then I'll check the eligibility of those particular colleges to make sure I'm on the right path. Now next is, so this was the part 2 of Study in Ireland series. In part 3, I'll be telling you about the cost of study and living, and also what are the top scholarships. So I have defined some of the top scholarships in that video. So that will help you understand which are the scholarships that you can apply in. Apart from that, this channel has a lot of content when it comes to study abroad, right from colleges, universities, courses you can explore. In case you have any query, I have put in the details in description on how you can contact us. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe, like this video, comment, share with your friends. I'll see you soon in the part 3 of Study in Ireland series. Till then, stay connected.